Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways you can style this Ankara headscarf using this pattern. I'm from Nigeria, and the northern part of Nigeria is mostly occupied by Muslims, and most of my friends are actually Muslims, and whenever I see them style their scarves this way, I always wonder, how do you do this? And I decided to challenge myself today to style my hair or to style my scarf using that method, the method of them covering their forehead. I was able to kind of get it, but I don't think it was perfect. But I also showed you guys different ways you can style your head wrap in this pattern. If you want to know the measurement, I shared it with you guys at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that, okay? Before we start off with the video, of course, I have to attach Sister Puff on my hair. Yes, this is Sister Puff. She's making an appearance in this video, okay? So let's say hi, Sister Puff. I'm joking. But yeah, I'm going to be using Sister Puff for this style because she's needed, okay? I'm going to use this scarf that I have. I've currently put it in a triangular shape. So this is the first angle, this is the second angle, and this is the third angle. I would love to wrap my hair with a head wrap, like a satin head wrap, but I don't have any close to me right now, and I just want to do this style for you guys. I'm going to fold the top part of the hair into like 4 or 3 folds. Usually what I've noticed is, I actually saw this after recording this video, they would usually put like a rectangular cardboard that can cover their forehead area just to make it firm and, you know, straight. That's what makes it very straight on their head. But I decided to just do like 4, you know, rows and straightening it out. And as I take the sides to the back, I'm going to be grabbing it. As you can see what I'm doing, I don't know how to explain that part, but I grab the scarf as I take the 2 ends to the back. I'm going to make a knot or just make one single tie. Guys, this is Ankara fabric, right? This fabric is heavy and it's very difficult to like tie tight because it's a strong fabric. It's not like the normal chiffon or cotton scarves. This is Ankara. When you're tying Ankara, you need hand muscles. You need to have the strength, God-given strength. That's what you need. So I had to make sure that was tight because that would be the only time I would be tying it down. And then for the 2, you know, parts, I don't know, should I call them hands? But anyways, these 2 things that are remaining here, I'm going to put them across my face. This is the style that I was dreaming of. This one is the style that was living rent-free in my head, so I had to obviously make it the first style. So basically what I'm doing is I'm putting the 2 parts of the scarf across my forehead, making sure like they are sort of in the same shape, if that makes any sense, and they are across my forehead. Like, make sure they're across your forehead, because if they are towards the back of your forehead, it's going to be an entirely different style. So except you're trying to achieve a different style, if you're not trying to achieve this Amaria looking style, please put this across your forehead, okay? Now for the back, the third angle, I'm going to just tuck it in, making sure it's secured and just, you know, leaving it like that. And this is the first style, guys. Like, look, I was so impressed with myself because who is this? Okay, I know I look fine, okay? So what do you guys think about this style? Let me know. This is style 1, okay? So the next style, I'm going to take out these 2 sides. I'm not going to take out the scarf. The scarf is going to remain like this for all of the styles, okay? Because I do not have strength to start tying things like I am, you know, Johnny Bravo or something. No, I'm not. All right, so I'm going to try to attempt to make a bow. I realized I was not showing you guys what I did, so I had to take down the bow and recreate it. So whenever you're doing this, right, whenever I do my videos, I do not necessarily have a mirror that can help me see the back of my hair. I actually did get a mirror, but this one cannot help me see the back of my hair. If I could see the back of my hair, or if someone was around to see the back of my hair, I would make sure this bow is like straight. You know, when it's crispy straight, like there's no angle in it, just because Yours doesn't have to be straight. Mine was not straight here, but for the style I was going for in my mind, I wanted it to be crispy straight. But you can still go however it comes out for you. If it's slanted, if it's sideways, you can do you, boo boo. But this is also the second style. I really love this one as well. I think it's very simple and beautiful. And for the third style, I'm going to roll the ends or the hands or the parts, you know what I mean, and then I'm going to roll that around the puff. I've seen this style as well, guys. Of all days today, I don't know why my apartment complex was choosing to play with electricity. I honestly do not know why. They were like taking it for 1 second and bringing it back. I did not understand why they were doing this. Anyways, so I just also took the third part and rolled it in. I did not really roll it in because my mind just got, I just sort of panicked from the lights, from them taking off the electricity. So I really didn't tuck the third part in well. But make sure you tuck yours in properly, okay? Yeah, so this is the third look, and we're going to be going for the final look. These people took this electricity again. Just watch. 1, 2, 3, and it is back. Like, what is this nonsense? Who are they playing with? Is it their cousin or their mothers? Like, what's that? Anyways, I still carried on with this video. I rolled this part of the scarf, like the hands. I really love this style. I don't know if you've noticed, I try to do it in my scarf videos a lot because I just think it gives a different look. It's not too basic and it's not too serious when you have like the rolls around your head. It's something you can wear anywhere. If they invite me for a wedding, I can style my scarf like this and go to that wedding. If they invite me to church, I can style my hair like this to church, okay? So yeah, anyways, this is what the last style is looking like. It's really lovely, it's really nice, it's really simple to have. And I was really wondering, what should I do with the back section? I just decided to tuck it in because I don't even want it to just be sitting there and doing nothing. So I just decided to roll it as well, just so it goes with the other two I had initially rolled, since we are rolling things here. And then we tuck that in, and this is the final look. I don't know, this might be my favorite scarf video so far. I still have more scarf videos coming in, but like this might be my favorite scarf video so far. Let me know what was your favorite style in the comment section below. I think this style is beautiful. It's giving Amaria vibes. If you know Amaria, what Amaria is, comment in the comment section below. This is my final headscarf style. I mean, I'm not mad. I think I came up with different styles that you can actually style your hair with. I think they're beautiful, I think they're nice, I think they're gorgeous. I would definitely style my scarves like this and go out. I added this hair at the back because I just wanted to give it that, just a little bit of different and a little bit of vogue to the vibe, because whenever I see my friends wearing it, they always have like, it's full at the back or something. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And the measurement for the scarf it was longer. I actually just cut it today. I cut it 44 by 44 inches. That's inches. I don't know what, so my tape is here actually, so I'm going to see what inches are in centimeters. 44 is like 112 centimeters by 112. That's 44 by 44 inches. So that's the length of this scarf. It was bigger than that, but I decided to make it into a square shape so I'm able to style it like this, and I think I really like it like this more than how big it was before. And I really love this puff at the back. It just gives that voom to the scarf styles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and let me know where you would style your scarf to like this. Hope that made sense. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.